I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Delightful Mediterranean bean salad Shahed 007. Total preparation time, 15 minutes. If you love peppers, olives, and beans, this Mediterranean salad is perfect for you. It's so refreshing and easy to make. That sprinkling of feta on top just makes this whole dish ideal for warm weather. My colorful and crunchy Mediterranean bean salad is the perfect mixed bean salad. It'll take you through picnic and barbecue season with ease, and you'll want to make up a big batch to keep in the fridge for quick and healthy lunches, too. It's packed with protein. I'm always looking for new bean recipes. They're the most underutilized superfoods out there. Pop open a can, drain and rinse, and you've got a nutritional powerhouse just waiting to make you a healthier person. You don't need a fancy diet. You just need to eat more beans. Today I've chosen cannellinis and garbanzos, for a contrast of texture. I've been using garbanzos forever, but I'm a recent convert to cannellinis. I chose them to star in my gnocchi salad, too, because they're so creamy. I think kidney and black beans would make a beautiful combo in this salad, as well. Tip: canned beans don't have to test canned. Rinsing them extra well helps get rid of that unpleasant canned flavor and lowers their salt content by as much as 40%. With a few fresh veggies and a well-stocked pantry, this mixed bean salad comes together fast. Multicolored bell peppers, cokes, and red onion provide the crunch. Both black and pimento stuffed green olives add the brine. You can never have too many olives. And pickled papaya peppers, the bright red ones, provide the tang. Marinated artichokes and feta cheese round out the group. As for herbs, I went with shredded basil leaves, but you could do fresh thyme, dill, or oregano if you've got them. Cold bean salads are indispensable for outdoor events because you can make them ahead. They travel well, and they tolerate the heat. The best bean salad dressing. My dressing is a good old-fashioned Italian-style vinaigrette. I use extra virgin olive oil, which provides loads of flavor and health benefits. Red wine vinegar is flavorful but doesn't overpower. Fresh garlic adds that all-important bite. Dried mixed Italian herbs give it that classic Mediterranean vibe. While you can certainly use fresh herbs in this bean salad dressing, dried work just fine. Perfect. Tip: on the second day I added tuna to my leftover Mediterranean bean salad and it was awesome. It's a great way to make this into a meal. Try hard-cooked eggs, too. Course appetizer, salad. Cuisine, Mediterranean. Prep time, 15 minutes. Total time, 15 minutes. Yield, 8 servings. Calories, 274.23 kilocalories. Ingredients: 15-ounce can of cannellini beans drained and well rinsed. 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans chickpeas drained and well rinsed. 1 cup cherry tomato halves. 2 small Persian cucumbers halved lengthwise and thinly sliced, do not peel. 1/4 red onion thinly sliced. 1/2 cup papaya peppers rough chopped. 1/2 cup black olives halved. 1/2 cup pimento stuffed green olives halved. 1 cup assorted colorful bell peppers diced. 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese. 1/2 cup chopped marinated artichokes. About 10 large basil leaves shredded. Dressing: 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. 4 tablespoons red wine vinegar or more to taste. 1 teaspoon dried Italian herbs. I used thyme, oregano, and rosemary. 1 garlic clove minced. Salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Whisk the dressing ingredients together and taste to adjust any of them. Add more vinegar if you want a tangier flavor. Set aside. 2. Put the beans in a large salad bowl. Add the rest of the ingredients and toss with a generous amount of the dressing. 3. The salad will keep well covered for several days in the refrigerator. Cook's notes. As with all bean salads, be sure to give it a quick toss just before serving. If it's been sitting, the dressing will tend to settle at the bottom. Those delicious cannellini beans are delicate. Be gentle when you rinse and toss them. This is a great salad to store in mason jars for grab-and-go lunches, like I did with my layered 7-bean salad in a jar recipe. Nutrition. Calories, 274.23 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 29.66 grams. Protein, 10.23 grams. Fat, 14.03 grams. Sodium, 542.18 milligrams. Fiber, 8.13 grams. Sugar, 4.95 grams. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name, Khaled Zubair.